Miss Shamball here. This is another drawing tutorial using 2-point perspective drawing skills. And this tutorial will show you the advanced technique of how to create a hallway, which gives the illusion of depth or space. Okay, so you've got your pencil, eraser, and some sort of ruler or straight edge. If you don't have a ruler at home, please feel free to fold a paper twice, and then you can get a straight edge, which you can use because you definitely need straight lines for this. Okay, so we've got our horizon line here. Okay, and for this, you may pick any spot on the center of the paper. This will be like where the hallway will start. Okay, and then there's two different types of hallways that you can do. So here's the first one. This is like a square hallway, and this is actually using a 1-point perspective technique because we're only using one dot, one vanishing point dot there. So I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to draw a V. This will be like the top kind of tile of the hallway, and then this is the widest space, and then from here on out they're going to get closer together and keep doing that until you get to the vanishing point and the horizon line. Okay, there we go. That's one side completed. Now I'm going to do the other side. Keep using your straight edge, always lining it up here at the dot, your vanishing point. That's really key to making this a successful perspective drawing. So there's the first part, and that looks like a really amazing sunburst. You could keep it just like that. Here's another trick. If you flip it, that could be like a really cool flooring. This could be like a road going back, okay? But for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw the tunnel, okay? And for here, I'm going to do like a curved tunnel. And so that's going to be the doorway in the distance. So I'm going to shade that in really dark, like it's fading into the distance here. And you can make this as big or as little as you'd like. Okay, you can keep it right like that, which kind of looks interesting. But then to add even more depth or an illusion to it, you're going to be using contour lines. Contour lines are lines that follow the same kind of structure or curve, and they're just parallel. So if I follow this curve here around my door, what I'm going to do is draw a line around it there. Okay, and then from here on out, I'm just going to keep getting them bigger. I'm trying to go equidistant, so I'm growing the lines even bigger. It's almost looking like a rainbow here. I'm going to make the space even wider. And even wider here. And if you notice, do you see the illusion of space happening? Oh, I kind of messed up that line there a little bit. That's where your eraser comes in handy. So no worries, you can just touch up any little feature like that. And this line didn't get dark enough, so I'm just going to go back and touch that up. All right, and I'm going to finish this off, and I'm going to keep going until I run out of room on my paper. Okay, so don't stop here. It looks like I'm running out of room. Like technically the next line would be way out here. So I'm going to pretend that I'm drawing that line, and look, right here, a little bit on the corner, we'll need a line. I'm going to pretend, oh, and then right here. And then technically it would end the whole way over here. And there you have it. That is like a three-dimensional illusion tunnel for your perspective drawing.